Hi again. Let's talk about the circular economy. The old linear economy often works according to the take, make, dispose model. We need to turn this into a circle. And yes, recycling is key here. This coat hanger, for example, is made from DuraSense by Stora Enso. It's a raw material where as much as possible of the plastic content has been replaced with natural wood fibers. After its end of life, it can be sent to the mill for shredding, producing new granulates, which eventually turn into a new hanger. And you can repeat this up to 7 times. Plastic in general, on the other hand, loses its properties and you will reach only 20 to 30% recyclability. The biocomposite product has even more benefits compared to plastic. So, are you ready to reuse?